it this weekend?
Yeah, I mean, it's not like I owe you that much. I mean...
I do have a job, yeah, and it's like Sean owes me 100 quid, so it doesn't really matter. I will pay you back.
But you already owe me 150 quid and stop looking in the fridge when I'm talking to you!
Look! This is
Fair, Mom.
It's not unfair!
It is! I want flipping money, and you won't give me. It's not like I don't have a job.
Mom, there's nothing to drink.
Going shopping tomorrow!
Oh, God. Kai, can you get me something to eat, please?
No, get it yourself.
Oh, come on.
Shut up.
You're in the fridge already.
Carl, I'm not your flipping slave, okay? Just shut up.
Just get me something.
I'm not getting you something to frickin' eat!
Why not? You're just there. Oh, you're starting.